be winning 1 million arcade tickets in only 25 days. And on Christmas Day, I'll be redeeming every single ticket for over $5,000 in prizes.
Okay. I got it. Nice. Why? Okay, that should be it. 1,000 tickets. Nice. 1,000 tickets. Easy. Oh, yeah, for sure. Ooh, y'all. Ooh, yes. The scores, yeah, still 26.
Ready, go.
Easy. Easy. As pie. Oh, come on, you. Yes, we got it. Oh, come on, that was actually decent. If it hits the bird, oh, please, okay, maybe. Yes, we got it. 5,000 in 1 day. Oh, that's close. Now it's low. Got it, nice. And nice. 1,000 tickets. Okay, so it's the end of day 4. Let's see what we ended at. 95,900. That's not the number. 95,594 tickets in 4 days. We're on just about the perfect track to actually hit the million. I just have to step it up the next couple days. As well as every single penny that you guys donate to Toys for Tots charity in the description, I have to essentially burn a ticket. And unfortunately in the next video, I don't think it's gonna be that. Holidays.